Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, we are going to be creating the really cute 3D nails that I had posted on my Instagram a few days back. I actually got a lot of requests for this set, so I'm excited to show you guys how to do it. It's actually super easy, and I think it's very beginner friendly. So I'm going to be starting off with 2 to 3 coats of this pinkish purplish, light pinkish gel. I don't know if that made sense, but it is more of a purple tone or blue toned. It is not a warm color at all, and this is the perfect color. This is exactly what we need for this set. So I'm starting off with this as the base, and of course I already buffed and base coated all of my nails ahead of time. You want to do this just to ensure that your gel polish does not peel off, because it will happen if you put it directly onto the regular nail tip. Next thing that we're going to be doing is grabbing some white gel polish, and I'm going to be mixing this with different shades of pink. And I am starting off with Temptation by Nail Reserve LA. And then this one is called, oh my gosh, I don't know what that hot pink one was called. I have a feeling it's Electric Rose though, because that one's a really pretty hot pink that they have. But yeah, so we are going to be mixing different shades of pink. You could kind of do like whatever you want as far as mixing the colors goes. You can literally do this with any color combination that you would like. But this one is like an ombre kind of gradient nail set. So I start off with like a darkerish pink and then go lighter, lighter, lighter. But they are different kinds of shades. They aren't like all exactly the same. You guys will see what I mean by that. But yeah, we are starting off with mixing a shade for this thumb. And we are going to be doing French tips on every nail with the color that you choose. So something I would recommend is actually to pre-mix all your colors for all of the nails ahead of time. Or no, not ahead of time. Pre-mix them as you go, just because you can use whatever's left over of another color to mix in with another color, if you know what I mean. Like whatever I have left of this pink, I can mix in for the next nail. So don't pre-mix all at once, because you might pre-mix too much gel. You do want to do it as you go also, so you don't have too much left over. I always try to just be conscious of how much I use and how much I put on the table, and kind of try to estimate in my head how much I'm going to need before, because it's kind of hard. I always have extra leftover gel sometimes, and then it's just like frustrating because I don't want to waste any, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're just doing this right here. For the next one, we are going to be doing a little bit of a more peachy shade. So we're going to be adding a little bit more of an orange tone in. And this color is really, really pretty by Nail Reserve LA as well. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about this. I know this is kind of random, but I actually get a lot of questions on rhinestones and things like that. I purchased a whole bunch of rhinestones from Blue Streak Crystals and I actually got a code for you guys. So that's going to be the next video coming after this one. I just wanted to let you guys know if you have trouble with rhinestones, choosing good quality ones, I'm going to be doing a in-depth rhinestone video on how to find the best quality and everything like that. And I'm going to show you guys how to shop on their website. So I feel like you guys will really like that video because I feel like I do know how to choose pretty good rhinestones as far as like how to choose the cut of your rhinestones and everything like that if you do really care about the quality. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that that's going to be the next video after this one. I'm actually going to film it today and it's probably going to go up in like a day or two. But yeah, and right here I'm just mixing more colors, and I actually did show the colors that I ended up using. I should put them right here, just the names of them if you guys were interested in seeing which ones they are. The ring finger is a perfect example of using the other colors that you already have to make a new color. So I just grabbed some of the color that I used on the middle finger, mixed with some white gel, like a lot more white gel to make a light, really, really light color. And it just has a hint of the color in the middle. But it works perfectly for this nail. So that's what we use. We are just going ahead and mixing it all together. And yeah, I actually really love this. And you also want to make sure that you leave some extra gel for the designs that we're going to put on top. You want to make sure that you have the same colors that you can use again. Once you have all your base down for all the French tips, I actually only did one coat for all of the nails. I am just going in and top coating all of them because we're going to be doing the 3D like sweater type of nail design, but we are doing it on a glossy top coat instead of a matte. Honestly, if these were matte, they would be so pretty. I think it would look even better in matte, honestly, than glossy, but glossy just adds a different type of texture and it just makes it look so cool with the hearts that we're about to do. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and top coating. I like to apply a very nice thick even layer of top coat, and I always make sure to clean up the sides before I cure, just to make sure that I didn't miss the edges and also that there's no lumps or anything on the sides. And for the pinky nail, I forgot to mention, we just did that plain white, I believe, with just a very tiny little bit of the color from the ring finger, like barely any, just because the colors are so similar. You want to make sure that you could still see the difference. So that's what we did there. Now for the little hearts, we're going to be creating some really cute little funky hearts. So the way you want to do this is kind of make the hearts flow, almost like a puzzle. You're going to want to make them different shapes, different sizes, but you want them to all be cohesive and be able to fit into each other, if that makes sense. So you want to make like big hearts, little ones, and I just kind of want to let you guys watch because I don't know how to explain it, but basically like I'm trying to wrap the hearts around each other, put them in different directions, some facing down, some facing up. That's what you want it to look like. And it's gonna give you that really cool effect. I really love this set, and this set is actually not like, this design is not created by me. It is just a regular sweater design but with hearts, but the original creator, I don't even know who it is, you guys. I just remember a while ago someone had sent me this as an inspo picture to recreate for them, so I'm not taking credit for this. If you guys know who the original creator is, just let me know so that I can put them in the description. But yeah, so what I'm doing here is I'm just going ahead and I am painting the little hearts on, and they look so cute already, but with the acrylic powder on top, it makes it even better. So I'm just doing this. You guys can do all the hearts all at once, but something I started to notice later on was that the hearts will eventually bleed into each other if you put them really close together. So just be careful about that. You might want to cure and put the acrylic and cure individually, like per nail as you go, just because you don't want the hearts to bleed in, because then they're going to be disordered and you won't be able to tell that they're hearts. So if you want to work as you go and just put acrylic after each one that you finish, you could totally do that. So now we're grabbing the acrylic powder. I am using Speed Clear, I believe, by Young Nails. I usually use Mia's Secret as well. Literally any type of acrylic powder, even whatever brand you have, will work for this. So I'm just going ahead and dumping it on. Just make sure it's regular clear acrylic. I'm dumping it onto the wet gel polish, just in case you guys are beginners and you're not sure about how to do this design. I'm just literally dumping it on the wet nails, like the wet gel. So yeah, I'm doing that, but I did want to specify that the base is already cured. Like the top coat that we put on did cure already. We're just doing the acrylic on top of the hearts only. when the hearts are not cured yet. I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick. I did choose the giveaway winners from my last video. If you guys entered that giveaway, thank you so much for staying till the end of the video for the surprise giveaway. I know I kind of just like threw that giveaway on you guys. You guys weren't expecting it, but I want to do more secret giveaways. Like sometimes I'll put them in the middle of the video or at the end. So just make sure you guys are watching till the very end to make sure that you know if there's giveaways in the videos. But yeah, I just wanted to do that, and I chose 2 winners. I did use like a generating website where you just type the names and it's like a little spin the wheel one and it chooses a random name. I chose 2. I did it twice, and then 2 of the winners were chosen, and they are posted on my Instagram story, and I did already message them. Only one has responded, and if the other one doesn't respond, you guys, I'm not sure what to do. If she doesn't respond, I will just make probably another one and choose another winner, and I'll just have 3 winners. But I feel bad because I already messaged her and I don't know if she's gonna see this, but hopefully she gets back to me. But yeah, so I did choose the winners already, and I'm so glad that you guys joined and you guys liked everything. I have so much more stuff coming. I for sure have another giveaway coming, but with acrylic powders, and I'm also going to be giving away some nail sets that I made soon. So yeah, those are my next ones that I have planned, and I just really appreciate all of your guys' support and you guys just supporting my channel and watching my videos. I literally do it for you guys because I love teaching people. That is something I actually love, is to help people when they need help with like nail stuff. It's just like definitely my passion, and I love doing it. Now we are done with all the nails, and I'm just going ahead and filing. I am filing downwards towards me. You want to face your file towards your lap, if that makes sense, and file down. If you file back towards where your like where your table is at, if you file backwards, it's going to be more of a rounded edge, and you want it to be more crisp if you're trying to go for the same look as me. And I always make sure to dust them off, and that's what they look like. They look so pretty. And yeah, I really love this set. It is one of my favorites, and I'm so excited to incorporate this type of design for other nails. I really want to do some with flowers with the same type of design for spring, and maybe even something else that's really cute for summer. So yeah, this is the final result. They were so popular on my Instagram. This is what they look like. That pink base color is so gorgeous because of the cool toned undertone. I feel like it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it so much, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I really want to be consistent and post as much as I can for you guys. I've actually been filming like every set I do because I feel like you guys will want to see it, even if I feel like you might not want to, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.